Alright guys, so for this question we need to rearrange our equation here to be in the correct linear equation structure. So what we have so far is 3y minus 12x equals 6. So the steps that we use to complete this, I've written down on the side briefly. So step 1, we need to get y by itself. So we need to get this minus 12x over the other side. So to do that, we need to move it across. When you move something across, you do the opposite. So we'll start by, we keep our 3y, we're only moving one at a time. So 3y equals, when we have our minus 12x here previously, it's a minus. When you move it across the equal sign, it's going to become the opposite. So because it was a minus, it's now going to become a positive number. So it's going to be positive 12x, and then we're keeping the 6 as it is because we've not moved it, so it's a positive. So 3y equals 12x plus 6. That is step 1 done. The next thing we need to do is get y all alone. So we need to get rid of this 3. We don't want it over here. We literally just want a y by itself. So we write our y. So to get our 3 across, we need to do the opposite again. So you always assume that there is a little times between a coefficient and a variable. So if it's times over on this side of the equals, when we move it across, it is going to become a divide. So what you do is you need to divide 12 by 3 and 6 by 3. You have to do it to both of them. You don't just get to pick one. So y is staying the same. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So it will now be 4x plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that's step 2 done. Step 3, rearrange it so it's in the correct formula. So this is our linear equation formula that we need to have. So y equals mx plus c. If we check down, we've got our y equals 4x plus 2. So we are already in that correct format. So that is the first one rearranged correctly.